iBrew Manual Fill Filter Coffee Machine. This video is intended to assist in the installation, operation and daily maintenance of the iBrew Manual Fill Filter Coffee Machine. Installation. This machine runs between 220 to 240 AC at 50 Hz and consumes 2300 watts of power. It is provided with a 3-pin plug and must be connected to an earthed single-phase 15 amps power supply. Once connected to the power supply, switch on the power button. Operation. Machine needs to be primed prior to its first brewing operation. It is recommended to carry out the priming operation at the beginning of every shift. The machine comes with a filter basket and a storage container. Slide the filter basket into the machine and place the empty container below the basket. When there is no water in the tank, brew button will grow red. Pour in 3 liters of water into the water tank or until water just overflows out of the water tank through the overflow hose. After water is added, brew button will blink amber. Now, press the brew button to start the process. Amber light will become still. Once water in the tank reaches low level, process is over. Brew button will again glow in red. Machine is now ready for brewing. Note that a certain amount of water will always remain in the machine, approximately 1.2 liters. Use fine-grained coffee which has been ground for use with filter brewers. Keep the container, basket, filter and the stainless steel mesh clean. Put the correct amount of ground coffee into the basket. As a guide, you may use the below mixing ratio to suit your taste. Mixing ratio 1:6. Coffee 100 grams. Water volume 600 ml. Mixing ratio 1:8. Coffee 100 grams. Water volume 800 ml. Mixing ratio 1:10. Coffee 100 grams. Water volume 1000 ml. Top up volume after priming operation. Place the filter inside the basket. Add coffee powder in the basket. Level off the surface of the coffee by gently shaking the basket. Insert the stainless steel mesh. Slide the coffee filter basket into the guide rails and push fully home. Pour required amount of water into the water tank. After water is added, brew button will blink amber. Now, press the brew button to start the process. Amber light will become still. Once water in the tank reaches low level, process is over. Brew button will again glow in red. Once the process is over, coffee may be ready to serve. The brewing time depends on the type of coffee powder used. Allow time for all the coffee to drain from the filter basket before removing. A warmer is provided to keep the brew warm. It can be used independent of the brewing process. Maintenance. The machine has been designed to give many years of trouble-free service. The only regular maintenance required is descaling. The machine should be descaled regularly. The frequency of descaling depends on the quality of water used in the machine. The descale indicator is set to trigger every 300 cycles as a reminder for the user to descale the machine. The machine will continue to operate, but the descale light will not reset until the descale reset button is pressed. Dissolve recommended amount of scale remover in a liter of warm water. Slide an empty filter basket into the guide rails and place an empty container below it. Carefully Pour the solution into the water tank. Brew button will blink amber. Now press the brew button to start the process. Amber light will become still. Switch off the machine after the solution starts to discharge into the container below the basket. Wait for about 2 minutes. Allow the solution to react with the scale in the heating system. After 2 minutes, switch the machine back on. Brew button will blink amber. Press the brew button again. At the end of the process, brew button will again glow in red. Dispose of the descale solution and rinse out the basket and the storage container. After descaling, flush the machine at least twice by following the priming procedure. Now press the reset button to reset the descale indicator. Machine is now ready to use. The exterior of the machine may be cleaned with a damp cloth and a light detergent. Do not use water jet or spray. The basket, filter, stainless steel mesh and storage container may be cleaned with a suitable detergent. iBrew manual fill filter coffee machine is designed with a spray head which can be easily removed by hand for cleaning or descaling. The bayonet type of fixing can be simply twisted in and out of the position. Ensure that the spray head is securely in place when replacing it.